palagi pong sinasabi ng forever First Lady natin na may pera sa basura. So talagang totoo po siya na we can turn things around and help the environment at the same time at kumita ng pera. So congratulations, maganda po. Ay, sorry. Nandito pala si Tapo. I didn't see her. Where is she? Ayan pala. Si Deborah Melchor, ang aking suking kasamang forever ng EDC. Thank you so much for the support once again. Talagang it's really great that corporations like you really value the relationship with the community. So thank you. And really today, it's the first, I think, right? Magkakaroon tayo ng basura summit. Sabi ko nga, every time they would say, sa schedule ko, may basura summit. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Ano bang basura summit na yan? Then sinabi, project ko ni Sir Joji na alam ko na. So yun. And the other thing also that I would like to somehow share with you is yung sa household composting. Kasi talaga, maybe at another time we can all meet and I can explain to you how it's done and all that para mas mapalago pa natin yung paggamit nun. Kasi most of us, if not, well, majority of our kakaiyans talagang merong backyard